Hi all, welcome to new video for la development series. In this video, we are going to see the details option inside the HorillaCardView. In the last video, we are configured the details information for the IMG SRC, image SRC, and the title. So when we check on the Horilla card template, here is the Horilla card. Now we have to get it from Horilla theme. Horilla card. Horilla theme generic. Okay, search for details. So here you can see for the details, IMG SRC is looking for image SRC looking for a function or function from the instance. In our case, it will be shift request instance. So here I'm going to fetch the employee instance from the shift request and the get avatar. So that's when we check the get avatar inside employees, employee model, you can see it is written a string or SRC for a static image or the media image from the database. So this getAttribute function will map the image source from the shift request employee model. From the shift request, it will fetch the employee ID, then the SRC from employee model. Then the title, for the title, to fetch the data dynamically, we can use single curly pair braces. Instead that, we can provide the model attribute or property fields, methods like this, as many as you want. Okay. Similarly, here you can write your HTML code, because when we check the template, you can see the safe is used. So in some cases, maybe you can use the HTML code directly inside the Python. For now, let's here you can see the same function is called format function is called the subtitle section 2. So like this, I can also fetch the details with the curly brace and the HTML code too. Now let's use a simple code to show the requested date. When we check the shift request model, there is a function. Let's use this now. Okay. For now, I'm just using the requested date option as the subtitle. Now let's restart the server. Okay. Refresh. Okay, we got some error. Okay, clear self. So the self is not recorded over here. We want just the field name from the model. Now let's refresh. Oh. So you can see the subtitle is coming right now. So that's the details dictionary attribute property inside the shift request the HorillaCardView. So I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, you can add comments. I hope you understand this video. Thank you for watching.